In today's video we will be changing the air filter over for a nice cone filter. Should look forward to some more turbo sounds and all round goodness from the S-Max. Let's get to it. I've changed some air filters on some difficult cars, but this one, it's 4 bolts holding the ECU to the filter box. 4 bolts would be very difficult to get to. You can't unplug the ECU because it's held on by the shield thing, which you need a shear bolt. You need to take that shear bolt off to get it off, which you can't get to unless you take the airbox out, but you can't get the airbox out until you get this off. I don't know if I should thank Ford or Volvo for that one, but yeah, nice one for making it so bloody difficult. Oh well, onwards and upwards. Okay, that took way longer than I wanted it to. I mean, you can see the sun's sort of setting. But there we have the RS ECU holder in place and the new kind of massive cone filter. Didn't really know where to put it, so I put it facing down a little bit. So you've got a little bit of cold air feed coming in here. It should blow into the general area. But let's see how it sounds. We're on for a day now. I couldn't film immediately after putting it on because I actually got too late and got dark. But it's given me some time with it, and it's really fun. I would suggest doing this to anyone who's got these engines, any turbocharged engines, whatever. Do this to your car. It actually is so much more fun. You get the nice, you can hear the nice turbo sound now, and it just makes driving a lot more fun. Like, you get the nice sucking in sound, and you get the as the air is dumped back into the system. Genuinely very fun. Yeah, honestly, highly recommend it. I'm going to play some clips now of before and after, just so you get like a nice idea of what it sounds like before and after, and I'm going to get some sounds from within the cabin without me speaking over the top of it. So hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks. Windows open.